Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review and a first impressions video of the 2018 Honda Civic Sport Touring Edition. In this video, I'll be going over my opinion on this incredible car. Now let's get right to it. First and foremost, as you can see, with regards to the exterior design of the car, it looks absolutely amazing. I love the way that the back end of the car looks, and also I love the way that the side of the car looks. I feel like Honda has done an absolutely incredible job with the styling of this car. As you can see, we have a nice set of rims, which I'll take a closer look at in just a few moments, and the front end looks very sporty. Now, I like how this car looks very similar to the other models of the 2018 Civic, but this Sport Touring Edition has some added flair, some extra flair that allows it to look amazing. Everything down to the fog lights looks incredible. The grille looks incredible. Every angle of this car is absolutely amazing. And here's a closer look at the rims. As you can see, I like the overall design of the rims because I feel like they look very sporty, but they still maintain a somewhat simple styling and design. Now this is a closer look at the back end of the car. As you can see, it has a 5-door design, which allows it to look awesome and be super functional. Like I said, it's just simply an incredible car. And in just a moment, we're going to take a step inside of the front seat. As you can see, the door panel has a nice design. The door opening gives you a nice big area to step into the car in. And if you take a look at the inside of it, it just looks absolutely amazing. Now, in my opinion, this 2018 Honda Civic Sport Touring gives you the perfect balance of a sporty design, but also a comfortable design and a functional design. You can see that as I'm sitting in the driver's seat, everything is easy to access, everything's easy to understand and easy to see. And the Honda Civic sports a very Honda-like design. I've noticed similarities on many of the different 2018 Honda models. As you can see, the shift knob looks incredible. It feels smooth and sporty at the same time. Now, I used to have a 2009 Honda Civic Si, and this interior and this overall design reminds me very much so of my 2009 8th generation Civic Si. You can see it's very functional with the cup holders and the center console. Everything is just simply easy to access. Now, if we take a look at the back seat area, first and foremost, you'll notice that it's very luxurious for the back seat people, the people sitting in the back seat. There are tweeters on the door that allow the music to sound great. It's very spacious, definitely spacious for a Honda Civic, and the fact that it's the 5-door design allows it to be nice and spacious. Now, I'm about 5'7.5", almost 5'8", and as you can see right here, I still have quite a bit of space, and the front seat was really far back. So if you pull the front seats forward, you're going to get even more space. And as you can see right here, just with regards to the exterior design, once again, it looks incredible. It's an incredible car. It looks great. The power output is great. The features are great. It's just an amazing car, and that's why when I saw this, I just wanted to do a little review, sort of like a quick review, and the first impressions, my own opinion on the 2018 Honda Civic Sport Touring Edition. Once again, it's a sporty car, jam-packed with features, very functional design, and I love the exterior styling and the interior styling of it too. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what your thoughts are with regards to the styling and the functionality of this car in the comments section down below. Let me know what you think. What are your first impressions of the car in the comments section below? And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.